Did she come for Iran or did she just come to model? What in the fuck do you mean? Compulsory 30 minimum speed. This is our speed. Show us their speed. Early to bed, early to rise. I slept at 2, woke up at 5. हाँ बट उधर ज़्यादा कम हो जाएगा फिर पापा डांटेंगे वो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. Guess who's going for a run? Actually, my brothers are going for like a run, and I'm like, I will volunteer for a hot girl walk because that's all I deserve. Actually, I want to try running this year. I really want to get fit. So every chance I get, I'm gonna grab it. We're gonna learn how to run. Just rewinded back that clip, and I look like a goddamn potato. We gotta get in the workout, get those Bella Hadid jawlines. I don't even have shoes for running. I'm gonna go with my tennis shoes, and that's totally fine, ladies. You don't need to spend too much. This is a financial crisis year. Bitch. Show you the fit. This is from Bliss Club. The pants are also from Bliss Club. They're really cool, but they're a size too big, so I can't do this and show my ass. That's not happening. I did a little ponytail. We are wearing like an M&S shirt inside. Sexy. Hi Yuri. Good morning, my love. This is Lisa. Oh, hotcakes. 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 Okay. Since my cousins all have visors because they're professional athletes, I'm sticking with this. This is cute. Also, I have my little purse because I'm a lady after all. And the shoes are really cool. Huh, baby? Shoes are cool, no? Shoes are cool, baby. Yes! We're doing addies at the bottom because I'm an addy girl through and through. This is where we intend to learn. It's called as Kamadi Garden. Arya! Good morning. Anu is here. Om is here. Bhai, तुम्ही headphones घातले. Look at me with wired. What the fuck? Ah, this looks so good. Literally like ran for 5 minutes, jogged for 5 minutes, and now we are walking and we've lost the 3 of them. But that's okay. It's day 1.
Exactly.
Let's go. As long as we woke up and came here, that's all it matters.
The fact that we tried.
And we look hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at us having Bella Hadid cheeks in a few days. Hot girl walk. They're better than us.
100 meters.
There's a museum right over there which has a mummy inside. Could you believe? And I've seen it. It's really pretty. A dead person is pretty? Absolutely. Just see it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Little crocky. Are there 2 of them? No,
No, I think this is.
only one. This one, the stone looks like chameleon. Their bazu matlab. Yeah, bro. It's crazy, it's moving. There's also a peacock somewhere. Kerala. Oh wow. Ew. AQI is fucked up, but peacock still sustaining it. Early to bed, early to rise. I slept at 2, woke up at 5. Oh, there's a peacock walkway. Did she come for Iran or did she just come to model? But that's okay. Huggle works. And he's going home tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's going back to Mumbai. I'm coming on the 8th.
Let's meet.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm just coming for a day, but still. Completed one round in 20 minutes. I'll write the details right over here. This is our day 1 count. Let's see what we do in 30 days. What in the fuck do you mean? Compulsory 30 minimum speed. This is our speed. Show us their speed. This is our. Oh yes, with the thumka. Give us some thumka. Thumka. Should I jump?
Yeah, jump.
That one was better. The one you did not. Ready? Run like Phoebe. You want to do that? I'll be Phoebe, you be Rachel.
You run like Phoebe. I'll record you.
Yeah, okay. थोड़ा plain हो जाने दो. I can't embarrass myself. I'm an influencer after all. We didn't go here.
Let's go.
She was a fairy. Yeah. Yeah. She was a fairy. Yeah. Yeah. She was a fairy. Yeah. Yeah. She was a fairy.
Oh yeah, we can do that. We just had like a mini photo shoot. We took about 100 photos and then realized we look fucking dead in each one of them.
looks great.
I don't look great, babes.
You are looking
You
very good.
made me look great.
Oh my god.
Clock that. The boys are done with their run, so we're probably going to go meet them. But our round has just started, so we're going to take a mini detour.
No, actually we're halfway through it.
We're halfway through? I thought we were going that way also, to that side. No, it's not halfway through, babes.
No,
I can bet you. We just started, Aneri, and 20 minutes we were just taking photos. What do you think?
So I think we can just go back now, so that'll be easier.
No, there's like a shortcut from here. Because last time we took a long cut. Yeah. Huggle walks, check. How good are we with our resolutions? Let's just say that. Oh, by the way, Aneri is also into marketing and content creation. Girly Pop is in IMMS. No.
NMMS.
Nasimunji. And she's doing great. Go follow her. I'm
Aneri
promoting.
Bagar _1106.
I'm gonna keep it here. Nobody's remember like that. But yeah, you get the point. Yeah. I'm building a troupe of content creators.
Yeah, actually there's
And
4
then
of us
starting
now.
then I'll be starting an agency. And I already have a guy from IIM already scouted out. Just kidding, guys.
I think that is going to be very offended.
No, that is not going to be offended. Dada is the most talented guy. Oh, it was his birthday yesterday. We haven't sent him anything. So I'm planning to send him Sardo from Lavon, Bangalore.
Oh my god.
Because nobody was there with him from the family. And we went out. That was so rude of us. So, yeah, I'm going to do that. Because I'm planning to go to Bangalore next month.
That's why. मैं सोचूं इतना प्यार है.
No, I'm not selfish like that.
I am.
You are. Yeah, ये बंदी आती है जब काम होता तब फोन करेगी.
मैंने कब कॉल ही नहीं किए तुम्हें आज तक.
That just shows our relationship.
No, that just shows that.
This is all fake, guys. This is just for camera. She's here for the cloud.
मैं किसी को कॉल नहीं करती आके. मैं अपने घर में ही रहती. I don't even call my friends. You're selfish is when I'm calling you for certain purpose. I'm not calling you at all.
Introvert max pro, max.
Introvert नहीं मेरे को लेना देना कुछ था नहीं तो मैं क्या.
So that is also selfish, yeah.
That is not selfish.
That is selfish.
That is me
Yeah,
keeping boundaries, man.
Boy, that's
Bro,
not boundaries, bro.
That is me
That's
like not using you.
Don't
for
fight
anything,
with me in
man.
public,
Oh
bro.
my God,
I'm 6
bro.
years older than you.
Oh
I'll
my
fight
God,
you
let's
up,
fight,
bro.
let's fight.
This is my university right over here, and this is the OG Khao Gali outside. We've got juice, we've got mendu vada, we've got chila, dosas and whatnot. So that's gonna be a brekkie, and after that we are going out for coffee. Oh, they've got dosa, bro. Parathas and dosa. Eggs. Omelette sandwich hai. We really wanted the dosa, but it's closed. This is what the mendu vada looks like. Give it a taste test, Arjun. It's cold. It's got the idli also. Nice. Anda paratha for Aneri. That's like champion's breakfast. Through and through. भैया कितना स्पीड है.
बस मेरे को भी भैया यही स्किल सीखना है कि
हाँ?
तवे पे हाथ डाल के ऐसे मैं निकाल लूँ।
आप फिर निकल, आप फिर लगाओ ना,
नहीं
वीडियो
भैया, अभी वो मम्मी वाला कला आना बाकी है। आर्य को निकालना पड़ेगा, 6% बैटरी रहेगा फोन में।
नहीं फ्रेंड की नहीं, अंडा पराठा
ये सेव करना है, वो स्टोरी पे डालना है।
गाड़ी ढक कर लगा देंगे, किसी की गाड़ी लगा देगा।
अरे he's not flipping it. I really want him to flip it like this. Cut it. No pressure. एक और पराठा करी दो.
एक पराठा और कर ही दो।
अरे ते थोडा तोडून टाकला, थोडासा टूट गया थोड़ा, कोई बात नहीं. This is what the chila looks like. Chila, I thought it'll be big, bro. This is so mid. This is vegetable chila and that's corn chila. And this is the mendu vada.
पराठा ऑमलेट आणि पराठा ऑमलेटची जी कच्ची लेअर असते त्याच्यावर मस्त करून जातं.
अहमदाबादला ना आय एमच्या समोर
My mom makes it better. खाऊ कधी.
बेस्ट पराठा भाई बेस्ट.
Cheers.
We'll take picture.
You take a picture. I'll do a cheers. Coffee and club. TD. Oh yes.
फेस नहीं येत
Crazy. Arya is giving a smile, bro. Crazy, crazy. This is cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers to that.
This is espresso with cinnamon. It's very good. It's refreshing. You should try it. That's normal espresso, Red John, and ginger ale with espresso. That's so crazy good, yeah. Hey, no ice.
डबल शॉट
Less ice, yeah. That's so tempting. Aneri's marble cake is left.
तू हॉट चॉकलेट पी रही है ना, तो उसके साथ दिस गोज वेरी वेल.
यू हैविंग हॉट चॉकलेट.
You should have hot chocolate if you are going to have a nap after this. Anu, go for hot chocolate.
सगळे सगळे यांना बोले जेवढं चालली त्याच्यावर जास्त
Bye.
ये तो उम्र है अपनी अपनी उम्र में आके फिर उसको
अच्छा अपने साल
अपनी वो अपन उल्टे
तू ओमला नको ऐकू हं जास्त. I'm telling you, he's not a good influence.
ज्यादा गरम नहीं कर
Hotness means hotness. Perfect. Do you like it?
and very
Yeah.
comfy.
and this is good.
Finally getting the New Year chop that I really wanted. By the way, this is the outfit. If anybody says anything about the pants, I'm gonna sue you literally. You and I are not besties. Yes, I keep wearing the one pant again and again, but I'm going to Mumbai, so I'm gonna shop for new ones. So stay tuned for that. But this top, it's so good. It is so freaking good, and I'm so proud of telling who made this brand. It's from this brand called as Acute, which is a dear friend's brand. She's so dear to me because I was in Bangalore all alone in a creators retreat, and she was the first person to say hi to me. Akanksha, this is her brand, and she sent me 3 pieces. I'm going to show you all the pieces after I get my hair cut because the appointment is at 3 and it's already 2:45. But the fitting, it's so fucking good. It's so flattering. Like, I'm gonna look like a fucking diva. The F word I'm using to exaggerate how cool it is. Like, it just makes me feel so much more sexier. I usually don't feel sexy in my clothes. I go for contemporary chic style or funk. But this is... She did such a good job, darling. And the material is so good. It is so good. She sent me a black one and a white one. I'm so excited to try all of them. Hopefully I get the India ticket so I can wear the white one, but this is so cute. Thank you so much for sending it. Love are cute. I love it. Okay, now coming to the hair. This is what my hair looks like before and after of the hair. Yes, it's still my ass, and every time I take a shit I had to make sure that it's in the front. But we are getting the chop. So the inspiration is not layers this time. I do want bangs, but like face framing bangs. So the objective is... Yo, shut the fuck up. Is he outside the house? That's why he's barking. So basically, I want it to be feathered out, starting from here till here. So it covers my chubby face, but in a way that looks sexy. Yes, in 2026, I'm all gonna be sexy. And then I'm gonna chop till here and keep straight length. So every time I can curl it up and it just looks like this. You know?
and then just bangs. That's it. That's all I want. So even with glasses, even with ponytail, even with choti, it looks good. This is what the hair looks like. Does it look like I've just taken care of these? No, taken care of them? No. Also, haven't washed in 4 days, so they're dirty. So let's go. By the way, the salon I'm going to, I always go to this one guy called as Vishal, and he does the best hair yet. I've found nobody better than him in Vadodara, and he works at Allure, by the way. I'm also carrying the one bag that I literally carry everywhere because I need my iPad to edit a vlog. It's going up today. First vlog of 2025. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go, let's go. नीचे बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज हो गया बाल है ना इतना उतना तो काटेंगे बट फिर मतलब ऐसे टर्न करके यहाँ तक आना चाहिए जो वो स्कूप आता है ना
वो वाला लुक नहीं आएगा जो वीडियो वो तो इतना
हाँ बट उतना ज़्यादा कम हो जाएगा फिर पापा डांटेंगे वो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी है ना
ये शॉर्टर और फ्रंट वाला लॉन्गर
oh so it will come like this because back से straight है that looks good ना
क्या
अच्छा लगेगा ना वो
ट्राई करके देखते हैं
नहीं लगेगा तो फिर काट देंगे
और वो शॉर्ट वाला जो है ना इसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा लेंथ काफी लॉन्गर है
Okay.
फिर वो इतना शॉर्ट से दोनों बहुत फास्ट डिफरेंसेस लगेगा
ओके
तो उसके लिए ना इतना शॉर्ट होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट और थोड़ा आगे से लेयरिंग होना चाहिए तब तो उसके साथ वो ब्लैंड हो जाए
ओके
वरना क्या लगेगा ये शॉर्ट और बाकी सब पूरा
नहीं आई वांट बैंग्स ताकि फेस ऐसा फ्रेम्ड लगे एंड पीछे से आई वांट इट टू लुक वेरी स्ट्रेट
मैं तो कर दूँगा
आपको अगर अच्छा नहीं लगा अपने ही बाल काट देंगे
नहीं ये देखो बैंक तो
हाँ।
करने वाले तो वो तो कर
बिकॉज अभी थोड़ा हेल्दी करना है क्लियर सर के बाल खराब हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा अभी गर्थ बनाना है पहले बालों का थोड़ा पहले हम लोग फिगर आउट करेंगे
कि हाँ
पीछे कैसे होएगा अगर सही नहीं लगता है तो फिर
वो तो
कट कर देंगे अब आइस बस यही चाहिए मेरे को और कुछ नहीं चाहिए दिस हाँ ये इससे बित्ता काट देना
क्यों
नहीं ये वाला
हाँ, वो सही है
वो सही है
हाँ
अच्छा
वही बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको सी ये जो पोर्शन है ना वो ऑलरेडी लेयर्स के लिए शॉर्टर है समझो आपको
हाँ।
शॉर्ट दिख रहा है ना
हाँ।
पर ये जो लॉन्गेस्ट लेंथ है ना वो लॉन्ग नहीं है वो पीछे को स्ट्रेट में कन्विंस करने
नहीं आई मींट वो टर्न हो के तो अच्छा ही दिखेगा ना
हाँ, और
हाँ
अभी टर्न करना बाकी है ना
हाँ बस बस बाकी तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ
ये है जो पीछे जाएगा ना
तो इट बी स्ट्रेट
स्ट्रेट जैसे आगे हो तो वो क्या बनेगा
नाइस
जैसे वो करवा रहे शॉर्ट हेयर कट इसमें ये
लॉन्ग हो जाता है
क्यों होता है पता है कि जब आप पीछे तो वो स्ट्रेट करते हैं
नहीं आई लाइक दिस ये अच्छा लग रहा है
ये हेयर कट है ना स्ट्रेट हेयर कट में लुक आता है ये होता है वन लेंथ वेरिएशन ये होता है सिर्फ वन लेंथ इसमें सिर्फ वन लेंथ
दिस इज वन लेंथ
वेरिएशन में जहाँ पे हेयर एंड होता है ना वहाँ पे कट यहाँ पे हेयर एंड होगा तो यहीं पे
कट होगा
ये वाला हेयर यहाँ पे कट होगा पीछे वाला है पीछे
ओके
सो वन लेंथ वेरिएशन और एक होता है सिर्फ
दिस इज वन लेंथ और हम हमेशा वन लेंथ वेरिएशन
हाँ,
करते हैं
जिससे वो पीछे यू थोड़ा सा टेम्पर
बन जाता है।
यू क्रिएट होता है और फिर आगे से पूरा स्ट्रेट
So good. और आगे फुल ऑन बैंग्स वॉल्यूम परफेक्ट क्या लगूंगी मैं The amount of hair that I just lost today, it's diabolical, brother. हाँ, चलेगा. Actually जाना भी नहीं चाहिए.
थोड़ा सा और ऐड कर दो,
ओके
तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा करो।
आपको क्या लगता है और ज़्यादा करना चाहिए? हाँ बस इतना कर लीजिए यार, थोड़ा फुल लगे. So basically we already had the haircut done and then we realized that maybe I need much more hair in the front, so we're cutting it back. I'm so happy with the length, yeah. I'm being so good with my daily goals that I treated myself to a pedicure. Not gonna show you the feed, baby, because I'm obsessed with my hair still. Give it some time. When it grows out, it's gonna look so bomb. Just imagine this over here though. With intention, I made sure that was shorter and fuller because new looks. Every month should be a new look. I'm so happy today. Nazar mat lagana. I know my darlings won't do that.
This is the big reveal. This is after 3 days of the haircut because I needed time to actually analyze how to style my hair. Went a little too short, but no regrets whatsoever. My mom hates it, for starters, but this is what the hair looks like. We've got the length that I really wanted. We've got the actual volume in the face that I wanted. Let me just open so you understand what we're dealing with. I like it in a clip, but even if it's not in a clip, I genuinely like it, but I don't like to keep it in the front. Yeah, that's more my look now. I love how it is like a bang look, but within like a month or so, it's gonna be like a curtain bang look. So for my birthday, I'll have like a different look. For that, I'll have a different look. This is what it looks like. This is 360. Did I style it at home? Yes. I basically did like a chotu curl at the end. So my aim is to, for this year, is to have like a preventative hairstyles as much as possible, less product as much as possible, easy to handle as much as possible, using effective products for the hair that helps in hair growth. And I don't want like lengthwise, I want it girthwise. So but the key things that the hairdresser told me is like it's a 50-50 game. You can use good products, but you'll still have shit hair if your nutrition is not right, which is true. And if your iron levels are not right, I'm like, I'm iron deficient. That's the reason. So, and then he gave me tips on my scalp, which I'm gonna be following. And he was like, styling is very easy. All you have to do is like wash them and then just pin them up. That's it. That's all you have to do. Like these go outwards, these go inwards. The next hair wash day, which is tomorrow, I'm gonna let you guys know how I do it. And yeah, this is like the first way I like to style it. I think this is very, very giving chic. I can't put my like finger on it, but I feel like it's giving one of those Turkish girls. My mom calls it Sadhna cut, but I like to call it like Turkish cut. Anyways, love this. I am absolutely obsessed because like within a month I know it's gonna touch here, so it's gonna be a different look. Then here, it's gonna be a different look. Then I'm gonna get another haircut because why not? Okay, this is like the first look. Let me show you the second one. Second one is my favorite, which is where I twist the sides and like take it behind and do this. Oh, this is so good. This is so dang good. This is so good. This is genuinely what I wanted for this year. This is what it looks like. I feel like it's a very good mix between a high maintenance and a low maintenance hairstyle. Like you gotta maintain it in the front, but at the back it's like straight. It's always gonna look funny. The third look is hair bands, cause why not? Do I look like a princess or what? I am feeling myself if you can't tell. I also got this clip yesterday from Miniso, and I just feel like a French twist will look so good.
Oh my god. The one thing I got this hairstyle for was ponytail. And if I literally gather my hair up and do a ponytail, it's gonna be the most sickest ponytail ever to exist in the history of ponytails. Chic, like this. I'm feeling myself. I love it. Just do this with me now. Ah, this also looks so good. Oh my god, I had to tell you guys about Akanksha's brand. She has such a good brand going on. It's called as Cute. Cute plus her name. And this is one of the tops. It's so good. I've been wearing this straight for 2 days, but she's so sweet. Like, I've met her only twice, once in Bangalore and once in Mumbai, and she's so sweet. She sent me 3 pieces. She didn't have to do that. Like, why would you send me 3 pieces, lady? This is the next top, and it is so much out of my comfort zone, but I love it. I just love it. I feel like it's such a good staple. Now, usually I don't wear high necks, but this is such a cute piece. Oh my gosh, and do you see? No see-through, nothing. It's double-lined, bro. I'm telling you, the female creators, they know how to do essentials because we beg for clothes, good clothes, and brands just don't make it. So you have to make it. You have to step in. She stepped up and made this, bro. Darlings, I am not even joking. It takes real steel balls to start a business, especially when you're a creator. And given that she started a business and it's so good, I want you to, even if you're not gonna buy it, just go in her comment section, Cute's comment section, and be like, we love you, we love your products. And it is really good. Like, not just because I know her, I don't even know her personally, I just know, like, have met her twice, that's it. But like, I feel like this is such a good product. It's so good, and it takes guts, like steel guts, to start something like this and put yourself out there. I've tried doing that and I failed miserably. Given she's done this, I mean, just look at it. It just made me feel so happy. And I haven't had coffee today. This was my boost of caffeine. That's like the biggest compliment I can give someone. So I don't know if she's watching this or not, but like, we love you. Darlings love you. I don't know why I'm calling you guys darlings, but you know. So yeah, go support her and let me know what do you think of my hairstyle. Is it too bold of me, or do you just think like my mom and say it's a sadhana cut and ruin my hat, or do you think I did something bold for this year and it's definitely worth it? I think it's worth it. Oh my god, pigtails. Oh my, next vlog, pigtails. Let's go.